Good day, everyone. Learn how to change phone number in AOL Mail. So if you want to add or remove phone number in AOL Mail, you can do that. It's very easy. So firstly, you need to log into your mail, and at the top right corner, you will see your profile. Just hover the cursor on that and then click on Account Info. Once you click on that, you will have few tabs at the top where it says Overview, Personal, Security. So we will click on Security, and then we need to scroll down, and here you will have your phone number, recover phone numbers, and add a phone number or remove phone number. So from here you can remove it or add it, and you can change it. So this is how you can add or remove or change phone number in AOL Mail. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.